This is the schedule for Sunday. Boy, good combination of games. Lasal by any other name against Ateneo by any other name is always a good game.
Always. Green and blue. Yan lang. Tatapos.
Never the world shall meet. In the meantime, 11-16. Nabubutasan ng UST, ano? Hindi malagyan ng support. In the meantime, the block was there and there was too much on that heave by Malyari.
Para pang gulo-gulo pa sila dun sa depensa nila.
Kung sino ang sasaksak, sino ang papasok. Pagka may block, hindi alam kung sino ang saksak eh.
Well, sa report nga kanina ni Rina, sinabi nga daw ni Coach Oji na kailangan nandun din sila lahat sa depensa. So, sa nakikita mo ngayon, no libero inside for UST.
Pamela Lastimosa looking for the corner, found nothing, and it's 17-12 in favor of the Lady Stags. Kumain na siguro ito nagtatambol sa San Sebastian. Ano? Iba yung palo nila eh. Galit na galit eh. It's in the air. May nanggugulo sa coverage natin.
Kilala mo yan. Jengoli now hitting it down the line.
Araw ng mga puwela, nung umaga, yung kapatid naman niya nakita ko doon sa isang restaurant ko, Shakey's. For fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. In the air we go. Lastimosa.
Oh, once again, Pam Lastimosa down the line hit. Alam mo daw si Pam kasi, makikita mo, ang lakas ng kamay, ang lakas pumalo. May ganun eh, diba tawag nga natin doon, mabigat ang kamay. Pero eto si Pam, ang kailangan na lang nito, kunti pang consistency sa laro niya.
Good point, yeah.
Magagamit ng maigi ni Coach Oji itong si Pam.
Mahirap maging kabarkada yung Pam na yun. Isipin mo kung lalaki, lahat yung hinahampas niya, ano? Kung bigat ng kamay, Walid hammers it down.
Eh, paano namang hindi? Pamilya ng mga atleta.
Oh. Ano ba ni Jolas ito?
Pamangkin. Anak ni Sir Danny. At ni mami niya si Chip. Kapatid niya yung nasa Binil.
Okay. Umigat ang mga Lastimosa. No? Merong isang Lastimosa na graduate din ng Ateneo. Itong huling graduation eh.
Really?
Gulat ako, nakita ko si Jolas eh. 1913.
Girl. Baka
Girl.
Jolas. Oh, anak
alam
ni
ni Jolas.
Jolas. Saka ni Butchie. Congratulations.
Oh! Galit Ali ah. And Jen Wally, serious here, wants to win this. Oh, nice to see Suzanne Ross is doing something sterner actually.
Ika nga niya. Yan ang kanyang spot. May titulo siya dyan. Yung middle hit na yan. Yung middle portion ng court. Yan sa net. Pag-aari ni Sue Roses.
Tawa ako dyan nung si Jem Perrer na dyan. Naglaban sila ng Ateneo. Nagkakatsawan silang dalawa actually dyan eh. Ooh, the block. Unable to hold actually. And UST grabs the point. It's 14-20. Lastimosa to serve.
Oh, nice serve.
Just over the net. Nice runner.
Oh, but Sue Roses in her element with that running hit.
Itong San Sebastian, pag nagkasundo-sundo ito, ang hirap kalaban ito, ha? Meantime, Coach Oji has words for his...
Baka maganda rin sila yan. Kaya mo na, i-back mo na lang, mag-open ka na lang.
It's nice to know that GMA News TV slowly gaining its foothold in the sports world. Marami na rin sports siyang kino-cover and we're glad to be part of that coverage area and group as well.
USC getting that point off an open hit. San Sebastian, 15 attack points na, partner. UST, 8 pa lang so far.
Yep, and that's the bulk of the points so far scored by San Sebastian. That's a jam.
Good offensive blocking on the side of UST. Ortiz, talaga namang walang katao-tao dun sa area na yun kung saan niya binalik. Nakita mo yung swing, yung sway ng kanyang block.
Yes.
Really directing that ball.
nito si Coach Oji, cool talaga. No? Kahit ano nangyari sa court.
Parang teacher, may mga ganyan
Cool na
kasing
cool,
coaches eh. Yung
Merong galit na galit.
paturo,
Nicely rejected by Reyes.
Power tip there, power push.
Apat na lang tayo. Hindi ba natin maayos?
The meantime,
Ganda ng lahat.
oh, yung mami maganda. Beautiful. Oh.
Lahat sila. And so far, San Sebastian only one block. UST having 4 already. Ortiz with 2 block points and 2 attack points so far.
It's a delightful book where, pati yung kasal ng picture na dito. Pati yung buong Loisaga
Galing,
fan.
nung
Yes.
pagtago, yung compilation.
We should do more sports books actually about Filipino sports heroes. That side,
Medyo nagkagulo ng konti dun sa side ng San Sebastian. Si Jack Pony, parang libero, paikot-ikot dun.
the Thursday crowd usually swells by about third set actually in the first game. Later we've got, I think we've got Arellano and NU and
Yes, and San Carlos, our
San
guest
Carlos.
from the south.
That forced Arellano into 5 sets. We've got changes in the lineup. Di Makulangan and Maso coming back in, pulling out Reyes as well as Lantin.
Uy comes in for Soltones.
Santones yung hinahanap mo dati.
Oo, that's na-injure. Pero ito, narito na ngayon.
Si Uy ang paborito nila pang serve, pantapos. Parang sa baseball, siya yung closer.
Hirap din yan minsan,
Minsan
lalo na
pressure.
yung trying to close out the set or the game.
Right?
Madaling trabaho.
Yeah, I agree because UST still alive, 23-19. Hindi ako nasasanay pag nakikita sa floor si Suzanne Rosas. Not that she doesn't die, but kung minsan poise na poise lagi yan, hindi nadadapa. Keeping it very much alive.
Great effort. Oh, coming from USD. That Burbano getting that point, and they are now at set point.
Crisostomo did the good job. I-rush natin to kasi nagkakagulo pa ang
correct.
UST sa depensa. They were still in disarray after chasing down that ball. It's set point. Back set. Crisostomo sends it to Roses. Shoulder. Pwede yan.
Pwede. Chance for San Sebastian once again. And Crisostomo takes it.
With the biggest smile of all. To end the first set, 25-19.